Welcome back, everybody. Now that we've been using our cold plunge for a month or so, we're going to go over some routine maintenance tips that's going to help keeping your system running at the optimal performance. First thing we're going to do in this video is we're going to go ahead and shut down the power. We're going to turn off the chiller and unplug it, and then we're going to turn off the pump by unplugging it. After we get everything shut down, the water stops flowing. We're going to go ahead and turn off the shut-off valves back to the vertical position. That stops the water from flowing in and out, and it's going to help you not have so much water spillage when you change the filter and empty the strainer. First, we're going to come over to the strainer or the filter, and we're going to unscrew it. We're going to remove the old dirty filter, and we're going to put in the clean new filter, and then we're going to reattach it. And you're going to go back to hand tight. You don't want to over tighten this, because if you over tighten it, you could strip the housing, which is going to cause leaks, allow air into the line, which could eventually damage the pump or the chiller itself. So it's very important that you don't over tighten it, just tighten it hand tight. Next, we're going to come over to the strainer. Same thing, we're going to unscrew it, pull it down, take out the little filter that's in here, wash it off in a sink or with a garden hose. Once it's washed off, you put it back in, put it right back on the housing. Again, screw it back in until it's hand tight, making sure that's not over tight. Now you're okay to go ahead and start back up the system. But before you start back up the system, we need to refer back to the purging video. It's very important after these steps, since we introduced air to the lines, that we go back and purge the system again, getting all the air out so we don't cause any damage to the pumps or the chiller.